Yes guys, welcome to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be making a super stir-fried coconut rice. Let's do this. So firstly, we're just going to start by getting our pan onto the heat, and we're going to chop up all of our mushrooms, just slice them finely, so you end up with normal mushroom slices. Get them into your pan with some oil and let them cook away. You're going to try and move them as little as possible to avoid them from going slimy. So now go in with your mushrooms, they're in the pan. Get them evenly spread out so none of them are really on top of each other. Leave them there, just let them sit. Now you want to peel your ginger. You can use the back of a spoon or just rub your knife against it. And then you want to dice it finely and get it in with those mushrooms to give it the flavour. And also chuck in a bit of sea salt just to let those mushrooms soak up some of that water. Now I've chopped up the mange too, the 2 peppers and the ginger, and then we're just going to whack them in with the mushrooms and then let them all fry. So I've also chopped up my tofu. I've cut it really small for this, just so that it can crisp up a little bit and just cook quicker. Just so we can whack that all in with all those veggies. And then we can go on with our chilies and a sauce to go through it. Also we're going to do a soy and maple sauce, just so it's a sticky, beautiful sauce that will just soak into the rice and go beautifully. So I've just sliced the chilies and the spring onion. You're going to whack all of that in with the veggies. This is now also the time that you want to be going in with your rice. So we're going to go in with all of that rice. Give it a good mix up. Make sure it's all homogeneous. Everything's mixed through well together. And then we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then also a generous amount of your soy sauce. So I just went in with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and a generous amount of soy sauce, and now it's looking beautiful. It's colourful, it's fragrant. You got the right amount of saltiness from the soy sauce to counteract the sweetness from the maple, and then all of those beautiful flavours and the smokiness from the tofu coming through. Now, once your rice is completely heated through, you then want to go in with your spinach, get it all in there, and then you want to go with a squeeze of about half the lime, squeeze it over there, use the rest of the lime for garnish, and then you're ready to plate up. Thanks for watching the video. If you did like it, drop a like below. Also subscribe or follow while you're here to both my Instagram and my YouTube. Thank you. Please share the video, like, leave a comment, and peace.